Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Nakazwe Nayabra, a Ugandan.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
You have children?
I have one child.
Where is he now?
He's with my parents.
Okay, what position are you applying for?
I'm applying for the position of housemaid.
And are you willing to take care of children also?
Yes.
So it is housemaid nanny.
Yes.
When would you be able to start working?
Can start working as soon as possible.
Do you have relatives in UAE?
Yes.
Okay, please describe your last job.
My last job was a housekeeper in a hotel from my country.
Okay, did you work as a housemaid?
Yes, before.
Okay, where?
Here in UAE for 2 months.
Only 2 months.
Yes.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid?
Take care of kids,
Okay.
do laundry, cleaning,
Mm.
cook,
Mm.
and help the kids do homework.
Okay. So explain, how do you clean the house?
I clean the house by using of a rag. I put it in water. I put water in the bucket. I put in the mopping detergent. I place in the mopper. I squeeze it a little. Then I use that mopper to mop. Later, I can do it like 2 to 3 times. Then I dry the floor. Then I use a duster to clean whichever object is there, to dust it very well. Maybe I can use a duster or a small cloth.
Okay, so how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
In a week, it can be 3 times.
How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
By scrubbing, using detergents and spraying, and also mopping the floor very well, and also pouring the cleaning detergent inside the toilet.
So you clean every day.
Yes.
Okay, what will you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
What I'll do, I'll first call my employer. Then he or she should direct me either to open the door for the person to come in or not.
So do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook.
What kind of food you can cook?
I can cook biryani. I can cook rice, normal rice, fried rice, mixed rice, even all like pepper soup or pepper sauce, chicken spiced. I can cook all that.
Okay, so are you willing to learn following the instructions in a cookbook?
Yes.
Okay, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
I enjoy swimming generally, and also playing basketball is okay if it's there, and also reading is my hobby.
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
I quickly get the first aid kit box. Then maybe when the child is hurt with the wound, I wash up the wound, clean it very well, then put on some little medicine, dress it very well. Then I have to tell my boss about it. If it's serious, we take the child to the hospital.
As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
No.
Okay, I'll
You
give you a
can't.
situation. If the child want to play with the scissors or the knife, is it okay? You will say yes or no?
I can't. No.
No. If
Yeah.
it is bad or dangerous to the child, you have to say no and explain them why are you saying no, right? Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
From 1,200 at least to 1,500 is okay.
Okay. So this video will be shown on our website maidcv.com and on our YouTube channel. So is that okay with you?
it's okay.
Okay, what kind of a housemaid or nanny are you? Describe yourself. What qualities do you have?
I'm a hardworking person and very clean. I'm a person who don't like anything that is dirty. Even if I take there my finger, I see something dirty, I feel so bad. So I'm a person who is clean. I'm a person who loves my work.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with your families will contact you. Thank you very much for your time for MaidCV.com. Thank you.